Hello. Wow, your guys' smiles are like so cool. Yeah, you might be thinking, how can she see my smile? I don't want to show no one my smile. Yeah, that's true. I can't see it, but I can feel it, and I can imagine it. Albert Einstein. That's why we have brains, to imagine. Our imagination grows while we're growing. So, this is intense. I'm in 6th grade now. I can't believe it. I'm in middle school right now. This is my first year of middle school. And yeah, you might be seeing we have some good lightning now. I've been doing a few reviews for the past year or two. And I am 6th grade in an international school. Hooray! These international books I have, they are from the international schools we use in Saudi Arabia. So let's start with the first ones. Math. Okay, so math is a bit fun. Sometimes I don't like homework. So we've got 2 types of math books. A homework book and a classwork book. Hooray! So we're going to start with the classwork book first. So, oops. Here, we have, the numbers in calculation.
The length, mass, capacity, expressions, shape, and
constructions. We're in this lesson now. Shapes and constructions. This is out of order. Someone's constructing it. We've got fractions.
review A, representing information. Let me show you, page. Mass. We've got this. So, this exercise 1A, they tell you, 39 plus something. So, I just tell you, on the number calculation, 2, there's 2 parts. Expressions, shapes, and functions. It's constructions. Fractions, equations, and
formulae. I don't know why they put formulae. Is that a formula or a formulae? Krabby Patty.
Here, you have geometry. Fractions, and decimals, times, rates. Yeah, there's a lot.
How many pages do we have?
Oh, we have
Exercise 19. That means 315 pages. That's a lot. Seriously, a lot. So, knowledge is power. Now, let's move on to the homework book. The homework book is basically the same exact thing. Although, numbers and calculations 1, as you see here, we've got the same thing. Excepting, here, you have to do the questions you were asked to do. So that's all for the math. So we have this diary. It's basically here they tell you the timetable.
you can write your timetable. And here, let's say it's Sunday today. You're gonna put the day, you're gonna put the subject math, English, science, Arabic, something like that. You're gonna write here the homework, the classwork.
If the teacher wanted to send your parents a message,
your daughter has detention.
Then their parents can reply, "Oh, I'm so sorry. What has she done?" And sometimes, they can say, "Oh,
Hello, may you give our daughter extra homework?" And then the girl goes
No, anything but homework.
please." So, that's basically it for the diary. Dear diary, I need to tell you something. Let's start with ICT next. Why is this girl using a 90s phone when you've got the cool iPhones, ICT is fine. It's hard. It's not hard, but there's a lot to memorize. Thank God we read most of the questions in the books, because if you read the questions in the book, that's gonna be the notebook. It's gonna be so easy to memorize. So, introduction. My introduction is, hello students, open your books. Don't worry, you don't have a lot of homework today, just page 2 to page 112. That's all. And that would be the end of my introduction. So we've got basically ICT tells you how you do the presentations and what's the slide master and these types of things. Next book. Let's go to the next book. I have no one to give me the other book, so I'm gonna get myself. We're gonna move to English. So we've got 4 books for English. I usually don't have like 2. So this is the closed reader. The closed. Oh, look at this monkey. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that monkey. I'm not supposed to open that. So here, like for collection 1, we've got Facing Fear, Animal
Intelligence. Dealing with a disaster. Oh no, there's an coming. Run! No, there's a police coming. There's a few. Run. There's a police. Making your voice heard. Decisions that matter. What tales tell.
It's basically like you have some like paragraphs you have to read and like answer. Basically like comprehension, sometimes vocab. Sometimes vocab. And this is the same exact one, but like, you know, with the reading. Let's see here. We've got the same exact things. Facing Fear, they're gonna give you 1 page. They're gonna give you this paragraph. You're gonna read it, and you're gonna basically just like writing. Right? You read and you write. And like you get to know about informational text, persuasive text, these types of informative writing. Other 2 books, please. Other 2 books, please. I guess I'm gonna get them myself. So we've got more English. As I told you, I've got 4 books of English. Just showed you the first 2. Now the second 2. So we have both Oxford here, English. These 2 books are together, but this is like the workbook. This is like the reading book. So this one, introduction. So like here, like you also read this, and like know the vocabs. All here, the vocabs. So this is basically to know the vocabs and sometimes grammar. Water disappears. Like they give you this. It's like a game. They give you this paragraph to go like find this word, and you have to highlight. When you're done highlighting it, you're like I'm done, and then you say the word, and then hip hip hooray, you've got the point. And the workbook. So for the workbook, here like you get to solve the vocab. You get to solve the vocab and the grammar.
And like as I told you, you've got some paragraphs you have to like play games without highlighting. You get to say the words here. You get to write them.
That's it for English. And guys, this year, the first subject that caught my attention is science. And you know why? You want to know why? I'll tell you why. Because science, we're literally going to have 6 books. Luckily, we don't have biology, chemistry, and physics every single day. Luckily. We don't have biology for the first semester, and in the second semester, some physics and some chemistry. Okay, so first I'm going to start with chemistry. We usually only get 1 book just because we're middle schoolers. So, we've got Complete Physics, Cambridge for secondary. You know, the physics book looks sick. Like, look at this. This is just amazing. This is just like here for physics. They're gonna tell you about like forces, energy.
The Earth and beyond. Forces, sound, light, magnetism, more forces, electricity, and energy. Like here you got levers, calculating moments. Here you have the
sound, vibrations, and energy transfer. And as you see, the workbook is voila. Okay, so here you've got the exact same thing like math, excepting you do the homework on this, and sometimes you can do some classwork. And that's basically it for the physics. Let's move to chemistry. I don't really like chemistry. I like physics. Like physics and biology are like the best. They're so cool. You get to learn about body. So let's start with the textbook first. So here you're gonna have states of matter. Okay, to be honest, I kind of like states of matter. Material
properties, material changes the earth, material rate of reaction, energy changes the reactivity. Here's making
salts. Salsa. I'm pretty sure salsa is way different than salt. And as you see, the chemistry workbook has voila arrived. I understand you guys. I understand you really well. I understand you because you don't like school. Neither do I. Some people like school. That's fine, I guess. Here's the same exact thing. Homework, sometimes classwork, like here.
Also, sentences are made of matter. I'm pretty sure this one's correct.
So yeah, let's move to biology. Biology. Come on. And here the biology has arrived once again, everybody. It's a textbook. Oh, look at this cute parrot. Oh, nice. You're so cute. Don't mind me. So, we've got plants here.
Humans, cells, and organisms. We're right here, and the tissues and organs right here. I think we're gonna go to the. Yeah, we're gonna go here for one. Variation and classification, plants, diet, digestion, circulation, respiration, breathing, energy flow, adaptation, and survival.
Plants, drugs, and diseases. Kind of interested. Man. Biology text workbook. It's just homework, classwork. So, more homework, more classwork, more free time. That's what I say. Lovely. These Arabic books don't come from the international schools. They come from the Saudi Ministry of Education. So we're gonna start off with history, which is ijtimaiyat first. Here they're gonna tell you like about like here الدرس الأولى like الملك عبد العزيز, what happened to him, مناطق المملكة العربية السعودية, مناخ المملكة العربية السعودية, أشياء زي كذا. History. So some Arabic. So for Arabic, like let's say here we've got لغة الخلود. Arabic. We're gonna basically have Arabic grammar, Arabic vocab, Arabic nas, like, you know, for things like basically like stories to read. And nasheed. Nasheed means like poems. And now we've got our religious Islamics. علاقة النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم مع
غير المسلمين. رفق النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم بالحيوان. النبي مع جيرانه. النبي.
Basically your religion. And we have this book called Quran. This book is basically for Muslims to read. So this book has all of Allah's words in surat called Ayahs. My name is Ayah. We are now on this surah. Al-Haqqa. So I did from number 1 almost to 31, I think. Yeah, to 31. I really like this book. Like, it's nice. Has nice words. Like Quran, it's just based about memorizing. That's it. Memorizing and understanding it, and that's it. So guys, if you like this video, smash that like button with your pillow and your popcorn that you're watching and eating. And comment. Say hit. Don't be afraid to say hello. Plus a heart. See y'all next time. Peace.